Are you a thrill seeker searching for the ultimate action camera to document your daring exploits? If so, get ready to be captivated by the latest leaks surrounding GoPro, DJI, and Insta360's upcoming action cameras. In this comprehensive video, we'll delve into the exciting details of these innovative devices, assisting you in making an informed decision that aligns perfectly with your adventurous lifestyle. Prepare to be amazed as we unravel the cutting-edge features and groundbreaking advancements that these cameras are poised to offer. From enhanced image stabilization and superior low-light performance to groundbreaking 360-degree capture capabilities and intuitive user interfaces, these cameras are designed to elevate your action photography and videography to unprecedented heights. The world of action cameras is about to get even more exciting as GoPro and DJI prepare to launch their latest offerings. GoPro has been rumored to be working on 2 new models, each potentially targeting different segments of the market. Meanwhile, DJI is poised to release the Osmo Action 5 Pro, a successor to its popular Osmo Action series. While exact specifications remain under wraps, we can anticipate these cameras to deliver significant advancements in various areas. This might include improved image stabilization, enhanced low-light performance, higher resolution sensors, and innovative features that cater to specific action sports and activities. The competition between GoPro and DJI is expected to intensify as both companies strive to offer the best possible experience for users seeking to capture their adventures in stunning detail. Insta360, a renowned manufacturer of innovative action cameras, is reportedly gearing up to release a new version of their popular Ace Pro model. The Ace Pro 2 is expected to offer a significant upgrade in terms of performance and features. One of the most anticipated features is the ability to capture 8K video at 30 frames per second. This resolution delivers exceptional detail and clarity, making it ideal for those who demand the highest quality footage. Additionally, the inclusion of a powerful dual AI chip suggests that the Ace Pro 2 will be capable of advanced features like intelligent tracking, stabilization, and scene recognition. Another highlight is the Leica branded lens. Leica is synonymous with high-quality optics, and the partnership with Insta360 indicates a commitment to producing superior image quality. With a Leica lens, users can expect exceptional color accuracy, low distortion, and outstanding low-light performance. Overall, the Ace Pro 2 appears to be a promising addition to the action camera market. Its impressive specifications, combined with the expertise of Insta360 and Leica, suggest that it has the potential to surpass its predecessor and become a top choice for adventure enthusiasts and content creators alike. The Ace Pro, a pioneering action camera, was renowned for its exceptional performance, but also for its hefty price and bulky design. Unfortunately, the upcoming Ace Pro 2 is anticipated to follow this trend. While the camera boasts cutting-edge features, it's crucial to carefully consider the balance between benefits and drawbacks. With a plethora of new action cameras on the market, choosing the ideal one requires thoughtful deliberation. To make an informed decision, assess your individual needs, budget, and priorities. Do you necessitate an 8K video recording? Is a compact design a must-have? Or are you drawn to advanced features such as AI-powered stabilization? The action camera market is experiencing a surge of innovation, making it an exhilarating time for those who crave capturing their adventures. From professional athletes to weekend warriors, there's a growing demand for cameras that can withstand the rigors of extreme activities while delivering high-quality footage. With new models constantly being introduced, the options for capturing breathtaking moments have never been more diverse. As we approach the official release dates of these cutting-edge cameras, stay tuned for in-depth reviews and comparisons to help you find the perfect device to document your thrilling experiences.